Hi, my name is Shane Zimmer, and my project is on the Sony PlayStation 4 as an interactive and social gaming experience. Here's a look at the new console, controller, and sensor unit that comes with it. The new Share feature allows for quick live streaming of gameplay. This is an innovative social addition because now players can instantly interact with other online friends by not only communicating to one another, but by literally sharing videos. And here's a look at the Share feature in action.
Nice, Sarah.
Hey, Will! Dino here, come play Killzone!
Dude, I don't got that, man. I gotta go and get it.
Hurry up!
Nice.
Hey man, hurry up! Come on, I need your help. Get over here.
Dude, I'll be there in a sec. What?
Oh, Will, bro. Okay, I'll show you how it's done. Check my video, dude.
The PS4 hardware includes an 8GB memory system, built-in hard drive disk, a single-chip custom processor, allows for HDMI or digital output systems, and has Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth capabilities. In addition to the Share feature and other hardware,
PlayStation 4 will unleash imaginations to create next-generation experiences that surpass gamers' wildest expectations.
The architecture that we chose is like a PC in many ways, but supercharged to bring out its full potential as a gaming platform. For the CPU, we chose the most familiar architecture on the planet, the x86. For the graphics processor, we decided to use a highly enhanced PC GPU. And for system memory, I'm proud to announce that we are equipping the system with 8 gigabytes. For the first time, the new controller. And here it is, the DualShock 4. We also took this as an opportunity to enhance the rumble capabilities and reduce the controller latency. And finally, we added a few new features. A touchpad as a new form of input, a share button and a headphone jack to enhance social interactions. And this new controller was designed in tandem with a second peripheral, a stereo camera that can sense the depth of the environment in front of it and track the 3D position of the controller via its light bar. PlayStation 4 is centered around a powerful APU that combines 8 CPU cores with a state-of-the-art GPU with almost 2 teraflops of computational performance. And with PlayStation 4, we're taking an unprecedented step. For system memory, we're using GDDR5, the type of memory typically reserved for top-of-the-line, high-end graphics cards. This gives us 176 gigabytes per second of bandwidth and provides a further boost to the GPU performance. This next live demo is a million object physics simulation from Havok. This is primarily running on the GPU, not the CPU. Tasks that can fully occupy the CPU cores will be achievable using just a fraction of the PlayStation 4 GPU. For one, the hardware supports suspending and resuming of play sessions. Just hit the power button and the system enters a low power state with the play session preserved in RAM. The minutes that it takes today to boot a console and load a saved game will be a thing of the past. On PS4, you'll just hit that power button again and promptly be back playing the game at the exact spot you left off. PlayStation 4 also has a secondary custom chip that manages uploads and downloads. As a result, it's possible to download or update games in the background, or even with the main power off. And we're taking this one step further. On PlayStation 4, digital titles are playable even as they are being downloaded. When you purchase a title, you download just a fraction of the data and begin playing. The rest of the data is downloaded in the background as you continue to play the game. Part of what this dedicated video compression and decompression hardware does is it enables seamless uploadings of recordings of gameplay. Just hit the share button on the controller, scan through the last few minutes of gameplay, pick a portion, tag it, and return to your game. Our goal is to make the sharing of video as popular in the PlayStation 4 generation as the sharing of screenshots is today. You can browse live game video of what your friends are doing at that exact moment, or spectate the gameplay of a famous person within your gaming universe. You can even see that your friend is in trouble and reach out through the network to take over the controller and assist them through some difficult portion of the game. Our long-term vision is to reduce download times of digital titles to 0. If we know enough about you to predict the next game you'll purchase, then that game can be loaded and ready to go before you even click the buy button.
With Gaikai in the PlayStation Store, you'll be able to instantly experience anything that you want. I've always liked that concept of try it for free, share it if you like it, and pay only for the games that you fall in love with. PS Vita is the ultimate companion device for PS4, enabling gamers to put their games from their beautiful HD TVs right onto their PS Vita's beautiful 5-inch OLED display. Our long-term goal is to make every PlayStation 4 title playable on the PS Vita.
Indie game developers create interactive games for the PC and handheld portable systems like the iPhone. They do not have publishers, and by making this content available on a console, it creates an interactive and social experience. Most kids play with friends or fight for the high score. Games like Words with Friends, Angry Birds, Temple Run, all of these are examples of indie games. Child development in games. The PS4 interactive games are good for cognitive growth, hand-eye coordination, problem solving, and socialization. PS4 games and aggression. Does exposure to violent video games cause aggression in children? In most cases, no. It actually does the opposite. Positive influence of PlayStation 4 games. Most games encourage teamwork and problem-solving skills. This is called pro-social behavioral skills. These types of skills are important for child development and growth. This is the end of my project and summarizes the development of social and interactive skills through the Sony PlayStation 4. Thanks for listening.